Welcome to our scientific journey today. We will be discussing one of the most dangerous diseases affecting the central nervous system, bacterial meningitis. This inflammation occurs due to the invasion of the brain and spinal cord membranes, known as the meninges, by certain types of bacteria such as Neisseria meningitidis, Haemophilus influenzae, and Streptococcus pneumoniae. These microorganisms trigger a severe immune response that leads to swelling of the meninges, and the condition can rapidly progress to serious complications such as loss of consciousness or even death if not treated promptly. In this video, we will explore how bacteria enter the bloodstream, the early symptoms to watch for, and how the disease is diagnosed and treated. Get ready to uncover the secrets of this hidden battle between the immune system and microscopic invaders. Neisseria meningitidis is a gram-negative coccibacterium that typically appears as diplococci. It is also oxidase positive, oxidase plus, and grows well on chocolate agar, which is a blood-enriched medium that facilitates better growth of the bacteria. Neisseria meningitidis can cause diseases such as meningitis and septicemia. Have you ever wondered why this bacterium doesn't grow on blood agar? Blood agar contains elements that inhibit the growth of this bacterium. However, when the agar is heated, these elements become inactive, allowing the bacterium to grow. This bacterium contains virulence factors, which are pili, that allow it to adhere to the membrane IgA protease endotoxin polysaccharide capsule to inhibit phagocytosis. It also has a key feature, which is the fermentation of maltose. Yes. Now that we've learned about the main characteristics of this bacterium, let's understand how it reaches the brain. Neisseria meningitidis can reach the brain through several steps. 1. Initial infection. The infection begins when the bacteria enter the upper respiratory tract, such as the nose and throat, through inhaling respiratory droplets containing the bacteria. 2. Replication and spread. The bacteria replicate in the upper respiratory tract, attach to epithelial cells via pili, and secrete enzymes like IgA protease to evade the body's natural defenses. 3. Entry into the bloodstream. The bacteria then penetrate the mucosal barrier and enter the bloodstream, causing sepsis. 4. Crossing the blood-brain barrier. Once in the bloodstream, the bacteria can cross the blood-brain barrier and enter the meninges, the membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord. The bacteria use their polysaccharide capsule to prevent phagocytosis and avoid being destroyed by immune cells. 5. Inflammation and damage. Once inside the meninges, the bacteria cause severe inflammation, leading to meningitis, which may cause serious symptoms like fever, severe headache, nausea, vomiting, and in some cases, coma. This is how Neisseria meningitidis reaches the brain and causes meningitis. And in conclusion, early awareness of symptoms, prompt diagnosis, and immediate treatment remain the most important weapons in the fight against bacterial meningitis and in saving lives. Always remember that prevention begins with maintaining vaccinations, practicing good personal hygiene, and seeking medical attention at the first sign of concerning symptoms. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to share this video with those you care about to raise awareness about this serious disease. See you in another scientific journey.